If you are always looking to supplement your nutrition, that you feel like you're missing part of it, the Force Factor Total Beets is something I would definitely look for. For me, I find that, first off, the most important thing of all, these taste awesome. It has a super chewy texture and everything is individually wrapped so that I easily can just throw this in with my lunch bag and I don't have to worry about it getting everything or even having to take the own bag. It's super chewy and it honestly, it really tastes great. So I have to stop myself before eating 2 of them. But the other thing I love too, you're getting that super compact. The other thing I love about these is that it's super concentrated so that you're really getting like jam-packed the amount of nutrients from the beets that you normally would get as if you ate a whole bunch of them. So that's why I've just been loving them. They're super easy, really easy to incorporate into my day. And they taste great. So that's why I've been loving them and they're part of my routine.